So for the image, what we want to do is just do a Google search. And when you Google, you can find any image. So if I come up here, I just did a Google search for Leonard Skinner, Freebird, SVG, found something that looked close to what I wanted to create. It could be any of these, right? So what I'm going to show you is the process. You can create any of these graphics or most of these graphics. Some of them are a little bit more complex, but let's start with something simple, which is what we're working with here, which we have this one here. If you click on it, you can see that, in a lot of cases you can save the image as a JPEG. Again, we're not too concerned about all this other stuff. We're just using this as a guide because we're going to create our own image. We may use some of these features, but we're going to create this from scratch. So I found one, or was given this one actually. You can see the text is a little bit different. The eagle is the same. The bird's the same. We're going to make some modifications, make our own artistic look to this, but keep it similar to what we have here. All right. So again, this gives you the freedom to create these images the way that you want. So I'm just going to left click on this. I downloaded it already and saved it. I'm going to drag and drop it into my project here. And then from here, we're going to come over to the properties. It's selected already. So we're come over to the properties. And we're going to click on this to maintain the proportions. And then this will let us scale it up. So if we scale it up to 10, we can even do 12 and see what that looks like, right? I like to work a little bit larger so that I can always go down, right? Scale down. Right? So that's our background image. And we're just going to use that basically as a guide.